Hey, what's up everyone, it's Mark with M2M Detail, and if you saw the last video, we were using the Fogmaster Junior. We're Permasafe, and we're installing that to our last vehicle. Today we're going to be doing another vehicle, but we're going to be using our clear coat gun. So we're going to see how the clear coat gun works compared to the fogger, and pretty pumped up. We're going to see how the results look. There's a couple things to take away from the last video. I saw the car the next day. There was a little buildup on the glass, so make sure you're wiping your glass really good on the windshield and the doors. There was a little specks everywhere, but nothing too crazy, just wiped right off. And then we're using M2M Detail all-purpose cleaner to prep our vehicles. Works really good, no shine behind it, nice and clean surface, nice prep before you do your Permasafe. Once again, shout out to 3D of Montclair. They hooked us up with the chemicals and the Fogmaster Junior to do the video, which is awesome. And now we're going to be trying the clear coat gun because I wanted to find out a different way to install it. Permasafe said the clear coat gun works, so make sure you have a clear coat needle. So I believe it's 1.2 or 1.4. But yeah, make sure you have the right needle in there. We're going to be shooting at around 22 PSI. I'm going to do some testing before we shoot it, but I think right around 22 PSI would be a good spot to spray it. But yeah, I'm going to have you guys mounted to the GoPro. Appreciate you guys watching. Once again, 3D Montclair, permasafe.com. Links are in the description. Please like and subscribe, and let's get to the video. All right, guys, so we got everything hooked up. We got our air compressor all ready to go. We got 24 PSI shooting out. That looks like it's going to be the best. The needle is a 1.6, so correction, not 1.2, 1.4, 1.6. And yeah, so let's get to it. Thanks. Got the AC on, full high recirculating, and let's do it. Should be good. Get a little more airflow. Alright guys, so we just got done with step 2 with the clear coat gun. I really enjoyed the clear coat gun. They both work good. With the spray gun, you're able to control it better, it looks like. Both work fine. Just 2 different options how you can install it. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. We're going to let it run for 10 minutes, keep the AC on. And yeah, we'll see how it looks at the end of it. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so haven't even wiped it down yet, but just want to let you see how it comes out. Came out very good. A little bit of specks there, but nothing crazy. We'll wipe everything down right now. But yeah, dried very good. Just want to show you guys the after. Let you guys see what it looks like. Got the bags back in. Nice and dry surfaces. Dash looks good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Mark Lamb Detail. Mark out.